Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Finding a removable discontinuity in this piecewise function is actually super fast if you know exactly what to look for. Let's solve this right now.
A removable discontinuity occurs specifically when the limit exists as x approaches a point, but that limit value does not equal the actual function value defined at that specific spot.
Looking at x equals 1, the left limit is 3 and the right limit is also 3. Since these match, the general limit exists and is equal to 3 right there. However, the table shows the function value at 1 is actually 0. Since 3 does not equal 0, option B is our correct answer.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps carefully.